How to log into your SquareUp account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your SquareUp account. SquareUp is a financial services and mobile payment company. It allows users or businesses to accept credit and debit card payments. Now if you want to log into your SquareUp account, make sure you have already created an account on SquareUp. Now once you have created an account on SquareUp, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type squareup.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while you will be taken to the official website of SquareUp. And once you reach to this page, here at the top you will find sign in button. Click on this sign in link right at the top of this home page, and then you will be redirected to the sign in page. Here wait until the page loads, and you will be asked to enter your phone number or email address. After entering your email address, click on this next button below. After that, you will be asked to enter your password in this page. Click on the box and enter your password. After entering your password, you may also click on this I button at the right side to reveal your password and check if it is correct or not. Also, if you have forgotten your password and cannot log into your account, you may also click on this forgot password link just below the password box, and then from there you can follow the on-screen prompts to recover your password. Now after entering the details correctly, click on this sign in button at the bottom. After doing that, you will be asked to enter your mobile number. After entering the mobile number in this box, now you need to click on this send code button at the right bottom, and then a verification code will be sent to your mobile number, and then you will be prompted to enter the verification code in the provided field. Also, you can skip this step for this time. For that, you need to click on this remind me next time button at the left, and once doing that, you will be presented with this dialog box. Here you will be given option to protect your account. If you click on this protect your account button right here, you will be able to add two-factor verification on SquareUp account. If you don't want to do it right now, you can also click on this continue to Square button to proceed further. Once you click on this button, now you will be able to access your dashboard. And from here you can now manage your transactions and use other features of your Square account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your SquareUp account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.